everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Reddit search history. If you want to clear your Reddit search history, so I'm going to show you how. So open Reddit and sign into your account. Next, click the search bar. Then if your recent searches appear, click the X next to individual search terms to remove them. So again, click on the search bar. Then if you see this X button right here, click on that to remove recent searches. Another thing you can do is you can also go to your browser settings. So click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to settings at the bottom. Then on the left sidebar, go to privacy and security, then select delete browsing data. Now in here, choose the time frame at the top. You can select all time for example. Then down here, make sure you check cache images and files and also cookies and other site data. Then click delete data to confirm the action. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.